Okay, this is Janet Garcia from empoweredtochange.com, and I'm here on my blog on the back end. I'm going to do a review of WPClicks. This is a plugin. It's not a free plugin. It costs around $97, but it's worth the price. And you're going to see in a minute. The first time that you install the program, you go here on other settings, and here you can add your IP address so that your browsing on your own blog doesn't get into account when she's doing the recording. This program, this plugin, what it does, it records what people do once they arrive to the website, and we're going to see it in a minute. You can create campaigns. For example, on this blog I don't have a campaign because I don't have a sales page or in this particular blog, but on my other blogs I do have a campaign in which I have here the page that has the button, the pay buttons or opt-in box, and she's going to track the click and if the person opted in or purchased the program. And here under watch visitors, it's where you get to see all your data that's going on, by day. I give you the day, the time spent on your site, etc. So let me show you another thing that is really good is it tells you how the person arrived to your blog, the referrer. And for example, this one is a Yahoo search. Someone searched Yahoo. I do spend some time in Yahoo Answers, and so they probably click from there to the blog. And you can see the landing page, which is the Victoria's review of web. I keep saying web video, it's WeVideo. Okay. And another cool thing is that when people search on Google, you can see the exact keyword that they use to arrive to my blog. And as you can see, they enter create a Facebook banner picture in pixel art, and I have a video creating a logo banner in pixel art. So that's how the person arrived to the blog. And this one here, this one didn't show for some reason the keyword, but arrived to the same WeVideo review also. And it tells you, the browser they're using, the version of the Windows they're using, etc., etc. Let's see other Googles. I want to show you some of the Googles. Here's another keyword again: how to make a logo in pixel art. And this is very popular. And not only that, the person arrived to the page, but you can see how the person click around. All the person did and where it went, what pages visited is shown here. Okay, so let's take I want to show you one of the videos. Let's take a look at this one so that you see how this works. It takes a few seconds to load the recording. Okay, now watch that mouse, this one here. That's not my mouse, that's the visitor's mouse movement. And we're gonna see how people sometimes they scan through the articles to see if they like what they're seeing. And before the person start watching the video, you can see that they scan through the text, the titles. And that's what this person is doing, is scanning through the small paragraphs and the titles to see, if they're gonna like and then play the video. Other people go straight to the video and then they read the article. So this is great information, and to see the behavior of how people are browsing your web pages. And as you can see, the person stopped here reading the About Janet Garcia, which is great. I think that's fantastic that they stopped there and took, the person took the time to read it. So let me stop this one and look at another one. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Let's see this one here. Okay, this one arrived from Facebook, probably a post that I did on one of the groups, and this person came to our blog and arrived to this page here. Let me play it. Okay, apparently this person is viewing the page on maybe an iPad that is smaller, and as you can see, this is a share button that I used to have, that then it gets in the way when people are having a smaller screen. And so that's why I removed it and just put the links on the top. But as you can see how this person is scrolling, it tells you a lot, because this person is a fast reader. This person is reading the same way I read. I go through it very quickly, and I can tell what the document is about just by scanning through certain areas of the paragraph and the titles. And that's what this person is doing. That person is actually reading the document. So let's take a look at what that person is going to do. So it's taking their time, and as you can see, now it went back up, and now it started, as you can see here, it started filling out the subscription for our newsletter. So apparently, obviously, that person liked what they saw here on our site, and then opted into our newsletter. So this is great information for you guys. This little plugin, it's very, very informative, so that you learn what patterns, what people are doing on your site, and from where they're coming from, if it's a Google search, or it's refer, a direct hit, or it's a return customer. You can tell, you can see the keywords, the pages they're coming from, the pages they are visiting, etc., etc. So I'm gonna leave the link below so that you can go through it and test it out. And take care. This is Janet Garcia from empoweredtochange.com. Have a nice day.